Right mouse Start menu. Device Manager. Network Adapter. Right-click Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Search for drivers on Windows Update. Check Update. After the update is completed, close it. And try the machine again. Right mouse on Start. Device Manager. Network Adapter. Click Wireless. Power Management. Check this out. OK. Then you can restart the machine. Left mouse and Start menu setting. Network Internet. Wi-Fi. Manage known networks. Click on Wi-Fi. Click Forget. You can enter here and reconnect. Then re-enter the password. OK. Start setting. Network Internet. Network Reset. Reset. Press Reset and you are waiting. About 5 minutes. The machine will restart automatically and it will be successful. No need when you press. After the reset, wait about 5 minutes. Let's use the computer, or don't press anything else. This part is: turn off your Wi-Fi at home. Wait about 30 seconds and try again.